Okay, YouTube. So today I am cooking with sunlight instead of propane. Um, so I have four pretty much frozen chicken legs that I'm going to be cooking here. So I have them in this frying pan. It's on this thing, it's turned on. I'm going to be adding some rice towards the end. And it is plugged into the pecron here, pulling 579 watts right now. And I have some solar panels outside. It's kind of late in the day, 5:21 about there. And I'm pulling in 100 watts. So that's the situation. Today I started at like 28%. I've had it just plugged in, just laying flat on the floor out there. I'm not doing anything particularly fancy to make it gain more watts, and the orientation of it is not necessarily the greatest, so I'm not even gonna flip it today. But yeah, I'm gonna be cooking with some solar instead of shore power or propane. So keeping my propane bill on the low here. So that's the situation. I've been using this thing pretty regularly for the last couple of weeks, maybe a couple of days, couple of weeks at this point. And I like the way that it works. I like the alternative of being able to do that. And I think I want to get another one, like a bigger one, because just because you have a propane stove doesn't mean that you can't have one of these things. Another thing I'm doing is I have a table that I bought, like just a whatever camping table, but I'm using that on top of the chest freezer here as an island in the RV. So yeah, that's kind of an update on some of the things I'm doing. So hope you're doing well, and until next time, keep on rethinking. Well, a little bit of a addendum at the end here. I make my own kombucha, and so I'm drinking some of that right now before I eat dinner. This one came out really boozy, so I haven't really bought alcohol in quite a while because I feel like I make my own. So comment if you want to know more about that, and yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. I know I'm not consistent. I'll get there eventually, maybe. All right, till next time, keep on rethinking.